Hello, and welcome back to our Daily Phrases series. In this video, we'll explore the phrase, cutting corners. Let's find out its meaning and usage. Meaning of the phrase. Cutting corners means to do something in the easiest, cheapest, or fastest way, often sacrificing quality or rules. This phrase may come from the idea of taking shortcuts, or the shortest route, by not going around the corners. Cutting corners. Cutting. Corners cutting. Corners used in a sentence. For example, the company got into trouble for cutting corners with safety procedures. We can't afford to cut corners on this project. It's too important to our client. You shouldn't cut corners when you're renovating your house. It could lead to more problems in the future. Students who cut corners in their studies usually find themselves struggling during exams. Cutting corners on safety procedures can be dangerous and is never worth the risk. Our competitors may cut corners to reduce costs, but we pride ourselves on quality. Now, it's your turn to use cutting corners in a sentence. Give it a try. Post your creative sentences in the comments. I can't wait to see them. Great job on learning another phrase. Join me again for more exciting phrases. Happy learning.